Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could fix a hard disk showing row error or a hard disk not appearing when plugged to your computer. So if you have an external disk, whenever you plug it you don't see it, or it says insert disk or it says please format, then this video is for you. So let's plug our hard disk, and as you can see it shows here. And when I click please insert a disk into hard disk. In your case it might be that you're not even seeing it, so it's not a problem. If you have Windows 7, 8, or 10 or 11, this video will help you. Go to your search tab and type create and format hard disk partitions. Click on the application to open. Wait until the application is fully loaded so that you see all the disks. And as you can see, if we go back to our disk, here it shows under the letter Z, but in your case, if it's not appearing, then we can suggest that it's this black one. It shows unallocated. So click with the right button of the mouse, new simple volume, next. Please note that once you have reached this stage, it means that all the data is gone and lost and you cannot retrieve it in most cases. So this solution will help you to fix this hard disk so that you can use it as like newly bought, not containing any data. If you are looking to recover your data, please don't use this method and look for another way to fix it. Let's continue. I will leave all the size by default. Click next. I will choose letter X. Next. I will have 32. I will name it as I like. Test, perform a quick format, and next, finish. The format will take place, and I will have as new hard disk. Let's go back to our PC, shortcut, and as you can see, I have it here. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always do so by clicking like and share and subscribing.